Welcome to all on Satisfactor in today's session 3 of indefinite integration. Topic is 1 over polynomial of degree 4 or quadratic over polynomial of degree 4. Right? In the earlier two sessions, I have discussed generally all the types applicable, right? This is very important for CBSE board, state boards, and other entrance exams. Right? Let's start the question. This is I equal to root 10x. I equal to root 10x. Then put किया, substituting 10x equal to t square. Differentiated sec square x dx equal to twice t dt. As you make the substitution, all terms should be in terms of 10 dx comes out to 2t upon sec square x, that is 1 plus 10 square x dt. Then twice t, 1 plus 10x to t square t4 dt. Right? Now, our next integration comes out to I equal to t dx is 2t over 1 plus t4 dt. This comes out to twice t square t4 plus 1 dt. Right? This becomes quadratic upon polynomial of degree 4. Now, in this case, dividing numerator and denominator by t square. This is a question hard with quadratic of polynomial degree 4. So this comes out to twice t square plus 1 over t square dt. Now, we have to manipulate the numerator. Manipulate numerator. This is a very important point, very, very important point. 1 plus 1 over t square, 1 minus 1 over t square. If you go back, this cancelled out, we get 2. If 2 was not there, then multiplying dividing with 2 upon t square plus 1 over t square. This is very, very important topic. Now, we will break up. Integration equal to 1 plus 1 over t square plus 1 over t square dt minus is there, plus is there. 1 minus 1 over t square plus 1 over t square dt. Now, 1 plus 1 over t square is the differentiation of t minus 1 by t. 1 plus 1 over t square, t plus t square plus 1 by t square minus 2 plus 2. Now, as differentiation of t minus 1 by t is 1 plus 1 over t square. Right? So, this comes out to be 1 plus 1 over t square dt upon t minus 1 by t whole square plus root 2 whole square. Similarly here, minus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 over t square minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 here. Differentiation of t plus 1 over t is 1 minus 1 by t square. So making perfect square in the denominator, 1 minus 1 by t square upon t plus 1 over t whole square minus root 2 whole square, right? Now, in this case, substituting t minus 1 by t equal to y, so 1 plus 1 over t square dt dy, so this comes out to be integration 1 over y square plus root 2 whole square dy. This comes out to be 1 over root 2, 1 by 8 tan of inverse y upon root 2. In this case, put here t plus 1 over t equal to z. 1 minus 1 by t square dt equal to dz. This comes out to be 1 upon z square minus root 2 whole square. This comes out 1 over 2a root 2 log of z minus root 2 z plus root 2. Right? Now, on further simplification, back substitution and further back substitution. Okay. Y equal to t minus 1 by t, then t equal to 10 x. You can get. Finally, this is the answer. I will again repeat the complete procedure. Now, question is under root 10x. Put here 10x equal to t square. On simplification, we get quadratic of a polynomial. When we get constant of a polynomial, quadratic of a polynomial, dividing numerator and denominator by t square. Alright, this is a clear. Now we have to make the numerator, manipulate the numerator in such a way that we get the constant term or same term t square is there then. 1 by t square will be there, 2 by t square will be there. In this case, if we manipulate it, if we, this was simply, if 2 was not there, multiplying dividing by 2, right? Now, t square plus 1 or t square, we have to make the perfect square here. 1 plus 1 by t square is the differentiation of t minus 1 by 2. Perfect, इसका breakup करेंगे तो t square plus 1 by t square minus 2 plus 2 यानी t minus 1 by t का whole square बनाएंगे. In this case, 1 minus 1 by t square is the differentiation of t plus 1 by t. So in this case of breakup, we will make the differentiation of perfect is t plus 1 by t का whole square, right? I have made all these things like this. Clear? Now, simple formula is applicable. In this case, formula is applicable 1 over x square plus a square 1 by a tan of inverse x by a. Another formula is 1 over x square minus a square dx 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. These two formulas are applicable. Back substitution and again back substitution. Next question. Next question, under root 10x plus cot x. Under root 10x plus cot x. Under root 10x plus under root cot x. Here. Now you can see, in this case, under root 10x plus under root cot x. 1 over under root 10x, so on simplification, under root 10x plus 1 over under root 10x dx is 10x plus 1 over under root 10x dx. Right? Now, put 10x equal to t square and simplify. You will get in the same fashion as earlier. Right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, set this down and like this video. Please subscribe and share the channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos through illustration. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.